Hey everyone! For some reason, many tech aficionados were unaware of the OUKITEL P1 smartphone. Nevertheless, based on my testing, I think this is among the most underappreciated Chinese smartphones, providing a remarkable feature set at an unexpectedly low cost. Using discounts and promo codes, I was able to get the OUKITEL P1 for just $114 during a sale. Given its inexpensive cost, it makes sense to investigate this phone's features in more detail. The OUKITEL P1's design is clearly influenced by Apple's iPhone lineup. Even though the phone is made entirely of plastic and has a matte back and glossy edges, fingerprints still tend to get on it. Even without a case, its 186 grams weight and 8.2 millimeters thickness make it comfortable to hold. The corporate logo, an LED flash, and a camera module are located on the back. On the right side are the power and volume controls, while on the bottom are a microphone, a USB-C charging connector, and SIM card slot that can hold 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and a micro SD card. OUKITEL P1's 6.7-inch AMOLED display is among its most remarkable characteristics. It has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a full HD resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels. Gorilla Glass 5 provides scratch resistance and durability for the screen. Phone features an in-display fingerprint scanner and front camera face unlock for added security. Both approaches are effective and guarantee rapid and easy access to gadget. Helio G99 CPU powers OUKITEL P1's internal components. It is a good option for low-cost smartphones even if it is not the newest chipset. Phone received roughly 394,974 points on AnTuTu on benchmark testing. The phone has 8 gigs of RAM, which can be practically increased to 16 gigs, and 256 gigs of internal storage, for a total of 24 gigs. Excellent battery life is provided by phone's 5,150 mAh battery. It can run for up to 2 days on a single charge when used normally. About 7% of battery life is lost every hour when using Wi-Fi to stream YouTube at 50% brightness. In addition to 18-watt rapid charging, the smartphone has OTG reverse charging. One area where the OUKITEL P1 is lacking is in audio quality. A less immersive sound experience results from the phone's single bottom-firing speaker instead of a dual arrangement. It does, however, enable NFC, which is a big plus for Google Pay mobile payments. The camera configuration consists of a 50 megapixels primary sensor and 2 insignificantly useful secondary cameras. There is a 32 megapixels camera on the front. Nevertheless, in well-lit environments, the image quality is remarkable for a low-cost device. A seamless user experience is ensured by the dependable operation of the light, proximity, and GPS sensors. So, the OUKITEL P1 is a fantastic low-cost smartphone that hasn't gotten the recognition it merits. It has a strong camera, lots of storage, a competent processor, an AMOLED 120 Hz display, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. One of the most notable features is its almost bezel-less design, which gives it a considerably more upscale feel than its price implies. Despite a few shortcomings, such the absence of stereo speakers and inadequate camera software optimization, it still provides amazing value for the money. The OUKITEL P1 is a good option if you're searching for a low-cost phone with a fantastic display and flagship-like design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.